it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm worth more than you could manage. Manage, yeah. Oh, be with me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall. You could be telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah, 'cause with me, you could do damage. You could do damage. You do damage. Yeah, worry about it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only get me if I let you. No, what you're doing is just for pleasure. Either let me or I'm a lesson. Going on. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm worth more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you'll fall with me. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me. Oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night. You could be telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah. 'Cause with me, you could do damage. You could do damage. You do damage. Oh, you could do damage. Oh, you could do damage. Yeah. Oh, you could do damage. The elephant repair. Can we please get it?
Friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag goo. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag goo.
To give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let it go.
You're welcome. That's our favorite. Stitch.
I have Stitch pajamas. I have a Stitch birthday cake.
Look at your little dimple poking out because you're so excited. Which lasts the longest?
Either way, it can last. And if at any point you don't feel like the stuffing is going down or anything, you can bring it back, you can open it, fill up the stuffing again. That is free of charge.
Okay, even if we live, like, is that unlimited?
Yeah.
Okay.
And any bear burgers you can take out.
Okay.
Did you want to put any smells or anything into the bear?
How long does the smell last?
They last up to 4 years.
How long?
4 years.
4 years?
Yeah.
Take a sip.
Yeah, go ahead. You're welcome.
What's that for?
These are all the ones we have. You can smell which one. Which one do you want to smell? Which just seems coming at you.
Birthday cake, cotton candy, peppermint, gum, strawberries.
Which one do you want to smell? So the cotton candy right now, I think we're having problems. I don't think it's that strong. So I'm probably take them off. It's up to you. You can smell and tell me. To me, they used to smell stronger. All right. You're going to put your foot on here and you're going to help me.
She put a cotton candy scent in hers. Yeah. Lasts up to 4 years, and she said that if the cotton isn't as firm or something, we can come back and get it free of charge.
You want it soft and squishy in the middle or hard? You want to step on it?
Huh? Yeah, I wonder if we can come back and do that.
Can you come back and get settled added later or no? Yeah, we can open up, yeah. You can still push it.
I'm sorry.
You want them to do the heart ceremony together or on their own?
What is that?
It's like a little ceremony they do to put the heart in there.
They can do it together.
I'll do one together.
Thank you.
Well, you got a heart for you? I got your heart that you want. Pick one out.
He's on the pedal.
Oh, he's on the pedal. That's right. Okay.
You want the red one or you want silver?
Just hold it in your hand.
Get them nice and warm. Can you rub it on your heart for lots of love? Can you rub it on your knees so you guys will always need each other? Rub it on your tummy so you never go hungry. Rub it on your head so you bear always have lots of fun. Close your eyes, make big wishes. Give them kisses. Awesome. And you're going to go put yours on. And you're going to put it in your bear for me, okay? Put yours in there.
All right, you gotta finish yours, man.
Once you guys are done, you can take them back here in our air bathtub and get them all cleaned up.
Okay, thank you.
And we do have a stitch.
Hold your heart.
If you wanted to do that right now. If not, most of our outfits will have t-shirts and stuff like that.
You want to squeeze it first? Tell me if this is soft enough or you want more. That's good? You want to put the heart inside? Thank you. Now close your bear.
You said. All right, good. What you say? Thank you, guys. All right. you going for?
I'll give it all away. Just don't tell nobody tomorrow. 'Cause tonight that I give you everything. Music knocking till the morning light. 'Cause we like to party.
Make one for Audrey. Yep. Say happy birthday, Aja. This is so cute.
Take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna
rock the boat, the rock the
E. Yes. This is got 2 M's. Yes. These got 2 M's. Mommy's February 19th, right? Yeah.
His name is Bingo. He's 12 inches, 10 ounces. He's got
What year?
18 months. His name's Bingo. You're good with that? Right now. Pick up your birth certificate. Pick it up.
What did I name it?
Mary. Birth certificate. Here.
Hello.
Remember, so the date. This is my seat. Remember, the date of birth is November 26, 2022. Your name is his name's Harry. He weighs 15. I mean, his height is 15 inches. He weighs 15 ounces.
No. Don't touch it, man. Okay, let's print it.
His eye color is yellow.
Okay, Justin.
His fur color is gray, and it belongs to a mare.
Never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens.
Come on, tough guy.
I can't wait to get some baby clothes for Stitch.
Oh gosh.
You can take my hand.